It's no secret that dropshipping is one of the most unique business models out there. You guys can sell products without holding your own inventory, get started for little to no upfront investment, and make more than doctors and athletes from anywhere in the world. It all sounds great, doesn't it? But truth be told, there are so many lies and myths floating around the dropshipping space that are misleading every single beginner. So it's time to set the record straight, debunk those myths, and tell you the truth about dropshipping. Doing it myself for over 5 years, there are many ups and downs of this industry, and that's exactly what I'm going to be revealing today. In this video, I'll be debunking 3 dropshipping myths that have been floating around the space and misleading new dropshippers. My name's Alex if you're new, and if you find any value in this video, remember to drop a like and subscribe for more. With all that being said, let's get right into the video. Myth number 1, people believe dropshipping to be some get-rich-quick scheme. They think you can start a Shopify store, import a few products, and watch the sales start rolling in, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Dropshipping is a real business model, and like any other business out there, it requires hard work and dedication. Dropshipping comes with its own unique learning curve. You guys must learn how to market your products effectively, perform the product research beforehand, build decent looking stores, and come up with an overall content creation plan to scale your brand. There are so many pieces running in the back end, and you guys need to become almost an expert on every single one of those. The truth is, success in dropshipping comes from careful product research, effective marketing strategies, and great customer service. You guys need to make sure your customer experience is great for every step your customer goes through, from seeing your ad, purchasing your product, receiving your product, and all of the marketing that comes afterwards. You guys need to make sure you have a great overall brand experience for each person you plan on selling to. So dropshipping will never be an overnight success story, but it's a great business model when done right. You guys need to perform all of the market research, all of the product research, work with reliable suppliers, come up with good content and creatives for all of your ads, and make sure the customer has a great experience through every step of their customer journey. Myth number 2, you don't need any capital to start dropshipping. This is a very dangerous misconception that leads to financial troubles for beginners all the time. While there's no upfront inventory costs like buying your product in bulk beforehand, there are some essential expenses that you will have to incur and deal with. You have your platform fees, which is only $1 if you get started on Shopify right now. But traditionally, you're looking at about $40 a month for your dropshipping store on just the basic plan. You guys have your domain name, which typically costs you about $14 a year. That's your .com name that you use for your overall branding and tying in the brand for your dropshipping store. You guys are going to have your product cost if you decide to order your product beforehand on, say, Amazon, so that you guys can shoot all of your own TikTok content and all of your ad creatives beforehand. And that moves over to ads. You guys have all of your ad costs, whether it's Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, Twitter ads, whatever form of advertising you choose to focus on. Many times it's not going to be profitable from day one. So you need to incur your ad costs, seasoning your pixel, and getting everything started to start making profitable sales. So remember, just like anything else worth doing, you need to spend money to make money with dropshipping. Make sure you plan and budget accordingly, and you guys will be able to see some form of dropshipping success. Myth number 3, you guys can sell anything, anywhere, and succeed. This leads to scattered results that rarely yield any success. The truth is, you guys need to perform extensive product, market, and customer research before selling anything. Your niche selection and your target audience are crucial to your dropshipping success. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You guys need to be choosing evergreen, in-demand niches that sell all year round. Hopping from trend to trend will lead to burnout and lose you guys so much money as a result. You want to focus on the long term and something that you can sell for years to come without the seasonal trends. If you guys are selling fall products or Halloween products, you guys want to make sure it's something that will sell in summer and winter alike to any country that's interested. To succeed, you need to identify a niche you're passionate about, research your target audience thoroughly, and tailor your products and marketing strategies to meet their specific needs and preferences. It's not about selling everything to everyone. It's about offering the right products to the right people. So there we have it. 3 common dropshipping lies debunked. Dropshipping can be a fantastic business opportunity when approached with realistic expectations and a solid strategy. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires some capital, and niche selection is key. You guys now know the honest truth about dropshipping and what to expect. It still remains one of the best business models out there, especially for beginners. I just wanted to make sure I gave you an honest and realistic approach before you get started yourself. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. I have a ton of helpful e-com resources linked for you guys in the description down below. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.